Inventory analysis is the process of analyzing a company's inventory in order to determine the optimal level of inventory that the company should maintain. In Power BI, we have developed an inventory analysis real-time dashboard where we can see inventory turnover ratio and percentage of slow-moving inventories, monthly inventory trends and inventory percentage of each items, which further filtering by day. Inventory turnover ratio and inventory average holding period in period, which further can filtering by category of inventory. Inventory aging analysis, where we can analyze the inventory aging percentages of each period and which brand are moving slowly and not moving can be analyzed. The goal of inventory analysis is to minimize the cost of inventory while maximizing the company's ability to meet customer demand. For more details and data analytics consulting, visit our website www.outsideglobal.com.